Always aiming at improving the efficiency and reliability of electric power transmission, China XD Group supplies advanced equipment and systems for power transmission and distribution for power grid companies, power generation companies, and industrial power customers, promoting the sustainable development of the electric industry. Taking the 5 major projects of the first 5-year plan as its beginning, China XD Group has built a production base of power transmission and distribution equipment and possesses a complete industrial chain from researching, developing, manufacturing, and testing to providing systematic electrical solutions. Its service has spread to over 40 countries and regions. In the late 2000s, XD's annual sales revenue reached tens of billions of RMB. In 2010, China XD Electric Company Limited went public on the Shanghai A-share stock market. As the only state-owned enterprise for power transmission and distribution equipment manufacturing, China XD Group pursues balanced, sustainable development to realize its vision to become a globally competitive, innovative multinational company. With modernization of electrical power, China XD Group makes direct contributions to upgrade all important power systems, realizing the localization of complete sets of high-voltage apparatus. Having supplied the key equipment for China's first 330 kilovolt transmission project, China first fully localized 550 kilovolt transmission project, Three Gorges project, West-East Power Transmission project. Having accomplished the system design, equipment development, and integration of China's first HVDC transmission project, XD writes down hundreds of firsts in the history of power transmission and distribution in China and all over the world. Just as the professional pointed out, the growth of China XD reflects the entire electric industrial history of China. China XD Group covers both AC and DC power transmission and distribution areas and is able to fulfill the overall demands of customers. High voltage switchgear business. XD Group specializes in gas-insulated metal-enclosed switchgears, GIS, circuit breakers, disconnectors, switchgears for converter systems, voltage transformers, and current transformers. The quantity of switchgears supplied makes XD number 1 in the world. According to a service report from the State Grid Corporation of China, the performance stability provided by XD Group's switchgear is in the top tier of all suppliers, both domestic and international. Transformer business. XD Group specializes in power transformers, converter transformers, smoothing reactors, filter reactors, special transformers, and dry-type transformers. These products have been exported to Western Europe and North American markets. Electric porcelain business. XD Group specializes in high-voltage insulators, composite insulators, zinc oxidized surge arresters, and bushings. These products have been widely used by major electric equipment manufacturers in China. Capacitor business. XD Group is the main supplier in the capacitor market, specializing in capacitor voltage transformers, shunt series coupling, equalizing, and filter capacitors. HVDC system business. XD Group specializes in thyristor converter valve, rectification, and contra variant systems. The company supplies key equipment for all HVDC transmission projects in China and develops research and design for HVDC transmission systems. R&D and testing business. XD Group specializes in fundamental research and test for power transmission and distribution systems and high voltage apparatus. It is a member of the following organizations: National Engineering Laboratory for High Voltage Electric, National Quality Supervisory Inspection Center for High Voltage Apparatus, International Electrotechnical Commission, and International Council on Large Electric Systems. System Controlled Business. XD Group specializes in auto control equipment and software for AC and DC systems such as high voltage, static, VAR, compensating systems, and digital substations. With the increase of power demand and transmission capacity, China XD Group has advanced to a higher level based on its profound understanding, and it has provided core equipments to the first commercial 1,000 kilovolt AC power transmission project all over the world. China XD Group has provided core equipments and participated in system research and design for the first plus-minus 800 kilovolt EHVDC power transmission projects in the world. China XD Group has provided products and technical support to 750 kilovolt AC power transmission projects and all of the HVDC power transmission projects in China. In the new energy revolution, China XD Group has conducted deep research and development in smart grid, flexible power transmission, alternate energy, and distributed energy sources to realize low consumption of resources and green manufacturing under strict emission controls, thus maintaining an efficient, advanced, and environmentally friendly power transmission and distribution system. China XD Group has won the trust of many countries and areas around the world. 50 years of rich experience in power transmission and distribution has made XD's products and service adaptable to diversified techniques, economies, and environments, and is in line with the standards of advanced power networks. China's XD Group has expanded its industrial chain by active and prudent mergers, acquisitions, and investments. Besides, it has unbolted territorial and conceptual restrictions to be closer to customers. China XD Group has strengthened its management and control capabilities with integrated R&D teams, financial management, and sales platforms to promote the matrix management and optimize industrial and financial structure. We will give a satisfactory return to our customers, investors, and partners. As China entered the industrialization era, XD was established as a participant in the pilot project of Industrial Trust. XD doubled its production value from 2006 to 2008 and continues to rise in value over the last 3 years. System and technological innovations are strong driving forces for rapid development of XD Group. The vision of XD Group is to become the most competitive transmission and distribution equipment company in the world. With dedication, confidence, and inspiration, the vision is a rational and passionate choice. Electrical power has promoted human civilization for over 100 years, and in the foreseeable future it will continue to do so, facing unlimited possibilities. XD is leading the way to a new and wonderful future.